Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WordPress for LinkedIn landing pages, full guide step by step clearly. To install WordPress for LinkedIn landing pages, begin by choosing a reliable web hosting provider. Sign up for a hosting plan that suits your needs. Look for a provider that offers one-click WordPress installation. Once you've signed up, log into your hosting account. Navigate to the control panel, typically called cPanel. Locate the WordPress installer tool, often found under the website or software section. Click on the WordPress installer. Follow the prompts to choose your domain where you want to install WordPress. Fill in the required details, including the site name and admin account information. Select your preferred language for the installation. Review your settings and click the Install button to start the installation process. Once WordPress is installed, you will receive a confirmation email with login details. Now, navigate to the WordPress admin dashboard using the provided URL. Log in using the admin credentials you set during the installation. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Go to the Settings section and configure your site title, tagline, and time zone. Next, install a theme that suits your LinkedIn landing page needs. Go to the Appearance menu and select Themes. Click on Add New to browse and search for themes. Once you find a theme you like, click Install and then Activate. Now, install essential plugins for added functionality. Navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Search for plugins like Elementor for page building and Yoast SEO for optimization. Click Install now on the plugins you wish to add, and then activate them. Next, create your landing page by going to the Pages section and selecting Add New. Use the Page Builder plugin to design your landing page. Make sure to include key elements like a strong headline, call to action, and contact form. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Publish to make your landing page live. Lastly, test the page to ensure all links and forms are working correctly. Your WordPress site for LinkedIn landing pages is now fully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.